there, my buzzy buddies! It's me, Beezy the Bee! I'm here to buzz into your day with some super funny and totally delicious facts. Are you ready? Let's make some honey out of this time together! First, let's talk about my amazing wings! Did you know I flap these babies about 200 times per second? Yep, I've got the fastest dance moves in the animal kingdom! Imagine doing that at a party. You'd be like, flap, flap, flap. And everyone would be so impressed or super dizzy. Here's a juicy secret. Us bees can talk to each other by dancing. It's called the waggle dance. We wiggle our butts to tell our friends where the tastiest flowers are. Imagine if humans did that. Hey, where's the pizza? Wiggles around wildly. Wouldn't that be hilarious? Speaking of flowers, did you know I visit about 50 flowers in a single trip? That's a lot of work for such tiny legs, but it's worth it because flowers are like candy stores for bees. Sweet, colorful, and absolutely delicious. What's your favorite candy? Mine's nectar flavored. Of course. Oh, here's something super cool. We bees have 5 eyes. Yep. 2 big ones and 3 tiny ones on top of our heads. It's like we're wearing permanent sunglasses. So, if you're ever wondering who the coolest insect is, it's obviously me. Now, let me tell you about my muscles. I may be small, but I'm strong. Bees can carry pollen that's almost half their body weight. Imagine carrying a backpack filled with school books and snacks. Lots and lots of snacks. See, bees are tiny superheroes. But not everything is about work. Sometimes, I like to chill in my hive with my bee friends. Did you know a beehive can have 50,000 bees in it? It's like a buzzing city. We're all busy making honey, cleaning the hive, or just chatting about the weather. Oh, and our queen bee. She's the real deal. She doesn't wear a crown, but she's in charge. Her job is to lay eggs and keep the hive happy. If I were a queen bee, I'd demand unlimited nectar smoothies and a throne made of flowers. What would you ask for? Now, let's talk about flying. People think we shouldn't be able to fly because we're kind of round and fuzzy. But guess what? We do fly, and we're really good at it. It's all in the wing power and determination. Remember that. Friends, if a bee can fly, you can do anything. Before I go, here's a buzztastic joke for you. Why do bees have sticky hair? Because they use honeycombs. Get it? Honeycombs? And there you have it. One buzztastic bee. Thanks for buzzing along with me today. Stay sweet, stay curious, and keep flying high, my friends. Bye and see you next time!